You've worked hard your entire life, building up your savings, planning for the future, and dreaming about a peaceful retirement. But with the financial world in turmoil, from inflation to volatile stock markets and looming economic uncertainty, it's harder than ever to ensure your money is safe. What if I told you that there's a strategy, one that's been used by savvy investors for centuries, that could protect your retirement from all these risks? Let's talk about gold IRAs and how they can safeguard your savings in ways traditional investment methods simply can't. Now, before we dive into how a gold IRA works, let me introduce you to a story that might hit a little too close to home. Meet Carol and Frank. They've been working hard for decades, saving every penny they could for their retirement. Frank worked as a teacher in Ohio, and Carol was a nurse for 35 years. Together, they saved over $850,000 in their retirement accounts. But in the last few years, they've been watching as the stock market swings wildly and inflation starts to eat away at their nest egg. They knew they needed to do something, but what? One day, Carol came across an article about gold IRAs and how they were used to protect against inflation and market crashes. After doing some research, she decided to reach out for help. That's when they discovered how gold IRAs work, and their financial future changed forever. Gold, unlike paper currency or stocks, has intrinsic value that doesn't fluctuate with the ups and downs of the market. In fact, over the last 20 years, the price of gold has risen substantially, especially during times of economic instability. By rolling over a portion of their retirement savings into a gold IRA, Carol and Frank were able to protect themselves from inflation and the volatility of Wall Street. But how exactly does a gold IRA work, and why should you consider it for your retirement? A gold IRA allows you to invest in physical gold or other precious metals, keeping it secure in a tax-deferred account, just like a regular IRA. This means you won't have to pay taxes on the profits until you withdraw the funds, giving you a financial cushion that grows over time. Plus, unlike stocks or bonds, gold holds its value because it's a tangible asset, something the stock market can't crash. And it's not just Carol and Frank who have seen success. Retirees across the country are discovering how gold can protect their hard-earned savings. Just imagine, in 2008 during the financial crisis, when the stock market was in freefall, gold actually surged in value. Those who had their savings tied to gold didn't lose everything like those who were invested in traditional stocks and bonds. This is not about gambling or high-risk investments. A gold IRA is about preserving your wealth. It's a simple, reliable, and secure option that can help you sleep at night, knowing your savings aren't vulnerable to the whims of Wall Street. Here's what makes a gold IRA even more appealing. It's not just for the ultra-wealthy. Whether you have $100,000 or more saved in your 401k or IRA, you can make a smart move to protect your retirement. Just like Carol and Frank, you can roll over a portion of your existing retirement savings into a gold IRA without incurring penalties. That's right, it's as simple as a phone call, and the best part? You don't even need to make a decision on the spot. I'm offering you a chance to get a free gold IRA guide with no obligations and a no-pressure educational call to discuss your options. In this call, you'll get clear answers on how a gold IRA could fit into your retirement strategy without any of the pushy sales tactics. It's a simple, informative chat to help you make the best decision for your financial future. Think about it. You've worked so hard to build this savings. You've put in the years, the effort, and now is the time to protect it. Carol and Frank didn't take a risk. They took control, and they did it with the help of a gold IRA. The truth is, retirement planning isn't just about saving. It's about making sure your savings are working for you, even in tough economic times. Don't wait for Wall Street to dictate your financial future. Protect what you've worked for yourself, and for the next generation. Remember, there's no pressure, just an opportunity to learn and make the decision that's best for your future. Click the link below to grab your free guide now and take the first step towards securing your retirement the way it was meant to be.